Hello to all the 2026 aspirants watching me. I am Ayushi Mishra, a third year BDS student at King George's Medical University, and I am standing right in front of the main administrative building of our college, the Brown Hall. This is where we give all our professional exams, pass them, and move on to the next year, and consequently get degrees, graduate from here. And this to be here was once a dream for me. I had this photograph of this building saved in my tab and phone's wallpaper even when I was not scoring anywhere close to reaching the cutoff of this college. But it doesn't hurt to aim high, right? It never hurts to aim high, and no one is charging you for it. So aim as high as possible. And all of this doesn't matter. I know January is this time when you are saturated from studying the syllabus again and again and again, and sick of forgetting the syllabus. But you kind of get burnt out and you feel like giving up. But let me tell you, now that I walk the lanes and paths of this college, I feel like every night that I didn't go to sleep early, giving up, I gave another try even when I was miserably scoring so low on each of my tests. That didn't let me give up, and I'm glad. And you'll not regret it. So, apart from all of this, keep giving your full syllabus test. Don't ditch full syllabus tests. You think even if your syllabus is not complete, go and opt for full syllabus tests. Read your NCRTs. Read them so much that you memorize the lines by heart, because that's what will help you solve the biology lengthy kind of questions. You know that very well. I know. I'm just putting out everything in points. Solve physics MCQs daily. Alright, start making formula sheets for physics for each chapter for 11th and 12th. Wrap it up, and physics is only done through solving. I know you must have built majority of the syllabus ka concept in numerical solving in physics, and now all you have to do is solve as many questions, as many type of questions as possible, so you're ready for the worst. And in chemistry, keep revising inorganic like it's biology. Do roadmap type of questions in organic. Remember all the named reactions. Solve the NCRT exemplar question, all the NCRT in text questions. Don't leave that in chemistry. And physical chemistry, that's just maths, pure maths. And physics, you'll learn it by solving. So I don't think I need to tell you anything more than that. Everything else you know. Baki, just sort your motivation kind of a thing. Give one last stretch before you go to bed. Give one last revision before you end your day. And trust me, that one last stretch plays a major role in making you reach where you are today. All the best.